today. So, diba, what are you na? It's night here. Oh, no. It's night there. It's morning still. It's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, wait. Wait. 7, 5, 4, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, it's morning there. It's 1 a.m. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? It's 1 a.m. So it's morning. More night. 2 a.m. 2 a.m. What are you doing? You clean for how many hours? Because it's 2 a.m. already. So for that time, what are you doing? What did you do? Ay naku. Ay naku. Ay naku. Ay naku. Ay naku. Ay naku. Hmm. 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 What now? Cheers! Cheers! Admin Bergie. Magpa-admin ka? Ginagawa mo, nag-live ko. Gusto daw niya maging admin eh. Hindi pa man siya nagbigay. Hala, cheers! Dragon Palace lang, cheers. Hoy! Dragon Palace! Dragon Palace! Dragon Palace! Uy, gusto ko talaga. Kasi nakakita, hindi ko pa man na-try yung Dragon Palace. I haven't tried Dragon Palace yet. So, nakita ko lang yun siya sa mga Bigo host. Ang ganda talaga ng ano ba? Ang ganda ng effect. Dito. Kron! What are you doing, Kiron? Grabe, you're not gonna give me na, Kron. Kron, you're not gonna give me. Kron! Hi guys, what are you doing right now? Wala, pasok ngayon, wala. Wala, I don't have work today because it's Saturday. Guys! I like Dragon Palace ba? Naubos na energy ko. How much do you want to buy this set of pajamas for? Do you want me